Another, well, damp day today, isn't it, Rufus, in Somerset? But the woodpeckers were, there's one, I'll try and go a bit closer, going absolutely great guns at the trees this morning. I suppose it's not frosty so they can get to the bugs easier. There we go. I'm trying to learn a bit about woodpeckers, because I got them coming in my garden now. They like peanuts, I know that much. Excuse the wind chimes. They sound nice, don't they? There we are, that was a nice loud, bit closer to them now. I suspect they can get food easier now, it's not so frozen. Lovely loud knocking they're making, they're only little birds. Oh, it's just lovely. Beautiful sun, guys. Nature. We've all got to kick our shoes off, walk barefoot, ground ourselves with the earth apparently, and it'll make us all less stressed in life. Okay, that's my quote for the day. Kick your shoes off, walk barefoot. Don't walk on any glass though.